Hey everybody, it's Lance Iverson with Bolt Lift Boss, here to showcase the new 2022 units and our new install kits. In the video, we're going to show you how to transform your wheel German winch into a new direct drive Bolt Lift Boss unit. In the install kit, you'll find the following items. 1 keyed drive stub, 1 angled bracket, 1 5/16 24 by 1 inch hex head bolt, 1 3/8 16 by 1 3/4 hex head bolt, 1 3/8 16 by 1 1/4 hex head bolt, 4 3/8 inch washers, 1 3/8 inch split washer, 1 5/16 fender washer, 2 3/8 inch 16 serrated flange lock nuts, 1 8mm machine key. Additionally, you will find 1 synthetic grease, 1 thread locker. Before we get started, we'll go over a few safety precautions. Prior to installation of your Bolt Lift Boss unit, please thoroughly review the instructions included in the install kit. Ensure you are using the correct install kit for your Bolt Lift's winch box. For compatibility information, please see the install kit title screen at the beginning of the video. Prior to installation, ensure the existing winch box is solidly and safely secured to the Bolt Lift frame. Never connect the Bolt Lift Boss to a power source until the installation is complete. Never install a Bolt Lift Boss unit onto a compromised winch box. Inspect the structural integrity of the winch box, bolt lift, and lift cable. If damaged or missing components are found, immediately cease operation and seek the guidance of your local bolt lift professional. Lower the bolt lift cradle into its lowest position until there is no tension on the cable. Secure the bolt with a rope so it doesn't float away. To remove the wheel from the bolt lift, remove the fastener from the center of the wheel. Turn the wheel counterclockwise until it unthreads from the winch box. Remove the 7/8 bronze washer from the winch input shaft and save for future use if the hand wheel is required. Remove the front cover of the winch and disengage the brake system. Reinstall the front cover once the brakes have been disengaged. Clean the winch box input shaft and apply thread locker directly to the shaft threads. Thread the keyway drive stub onto the winch box input shaft and hand tighten. Liberally apply grease to the shaft of the keyway drive stub. Then seat the key into the keyway slot. Remove the black rubber plug from the face of the Bolt Lift Boss unit. Align the keyway on the drive stub with the keyway entry slot on the Bolt Lift Boss unit. Push the Bolt Lift Boss unit fully onto the drive stub. Place a 3/8 inch split washer onto a 5/16 bolt, followed by the 5/16 fender washer. Insert the bolt into the open hole and thread it into the drive stub to secure the unit to the winch box. Tighten the bolt to 20 pounds. Do not over-tighten. Reinstall the black rubber plug into its original hole. Install the angled bracket to the bottom right corner of the winch box using a 3/8 16 by 1 3/4 hex head bolt, 2 3/8 washers, and a 3/8 16 serrated flange lock nut as shown. If no hole is present, drill a 3/8 inch hole at the lower right corner of the winch box. Connect the angled bracket to the teardrop bracket on the back of the bolt lift boss unit by inserting a 3/8 16 by 1 1/4 hex head bolt and 3/8 washer through the aligned holes. Secure with a second 3/8 inch washer and a 3/8 inch serrated flange lock nut. Check all fasteners and make final adjustments. If needed, loosen the teardrop bracket from the bolt lift boss using a 10mm wrench to straighten the unit. Tighten all hardware when the adjustments are complete. Inspect the structural integrity of the winch box, bolt lift, and lift cable. If damaged or missing components are found, immediately cease operation and seek the guidance of your local bolt lift professional. At this time, it is important to check that lifting the unit can only be done when the gear head rotates in a clockwise direction. Attempting to lift in a counterclockwise direction may unscrew the unit from the winch box, causing serious personal injury or property damage. So there you have it. We've successfully installed our new bolt lift boss unit. From everyone here at Bolt Lift Boss, we sincerely thank you for your business, and we'll see you on the water.